Hello and welcome. Today we are showing you how to choose a single-point battery watering kit. After that video, you will be able to choose the right system that fit your battery. If you're not sure which components you need, you can simply visit our Aqua Pro website. Use the kit selector, choose the brand of your battery, and the system will automatically suggest the correct kit for your setup. From there, you just select the number of cells and choose your preferred coupler. Once that's done, you're ready to order the right kit for your battery. If your battery brand is not listed, or if you're unsure about your setup, you can also determine the required information manually and send it to us. We'll take care of the rest and help you configure the correct system. So let's go step by step and look at exactly which information you need to select your Aqua Pro watering kit. Industrial batteries contain electrolyte, which is corrosive and can cause serious damage if handled incorrectly. Always wear proper protective equipment, avoid direct contact, and make sure the battery is in a safe and stable condition before starting any work. A battery watering system is not universal. It must be configured based on your exact battery setup, so let's start with the basics to configure your system. First, we determine how many cells your battery has. You can either count the cells manually or take a look at the system label on the side of the battery. There, you'll usually find the total voltage. In this example, the battery has 48 volts. To calculate the number of cells, we divide the voltage by 2, since each cell provides 2 volts. That gives us a total of 24 cells, and that's exactly how many filling points your system will need. In the second step, we identify the type of opening your battery cells have. For this, it's important to know the brand of your battery. You can usually find this information on the label or by asking your battery supplier. In this example, we're working with a Rhino battery equipped with TAB battery cells. These typically use a clip-in system, but there are also other types, such as threaded openings or quarter-turn systems. To determine the exact size of your cell opening, use a measuring tape and measure the diameter precisely. In this case, the opening is 35 millimeters. In the third step, we determine the correct float length. This is one of the most important parameters because the float defines the final water level inside the battery cell. To measure this, you can use any suitable measuring tool or one of our dedicated float gauges for more accurate and consistent results. To find the depth of the cell, slightly bend the measuring tool and carefully insert it into the cell opening until it reaches the bottom. Make sure you go all the way down, but without applying force. Once inserted, you can read the result at the top edge of the cell. Depending on the depth, the tool will indicate a specific color. In this example, the result is purple. If your battery has a different depth, you may see a different color instead. Each color corresponds to a specific float length, and this color directly determines which floats you will need for your watering system. Now that we have all the necessary information, we can use the table to determine the exact watering system we need. In the first step, we decide which coupler we want to use. At Aqua Pro, we offer all common coupler types. Our Aqua Pro coupler is designed as a universal solution and is compatible with most existing systems. This means you don't need to change your current watering setup to use it. It integrates easily and allows for a simple and reliable connection. If you want to learn more about the different coupler options, we have a separate video on this topic available on our channel. Now that we know how many cells our battery has, determining the exact number of filling plugs is straightforward. Each cell requires one filling plug, so the total number directly matches the number of cells. In the table, you can see an overview of the most common battery configurations used in practice. To make sure everything fits correctly, take a moment to confirm the size and type of your valve opening. If you already know which type you need, you can simply check the table and identify the correct version of your filling plug. This ensures that the system fits properly and works reliably once installed. And finally, here is the reference table for your float length. By measuring your battery correctly, you now know exactly which float size you need. You can determine this either by the measured length or by using the color indicated on your measuring tool. Once you have this information, you have everything required to configure your system. At this point, you're ready to select and order your complete watering kit. We hope this video helped you find the right watering system for your battery. If you have any questions or need support, feel free to reach out to us at any time. Our team is always available to help you with your setup. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.